Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically download fonts and import them into CapCut. So simply select download like on any font, then you're going to open up your folder, then you're going to select the font that you want to install. I'm just going to select this one, press install. Then you're going to basically restart CapCut, so just close window first, open up CapCut again. Oops. And open up a project, go to text and add in your default text, go to the font section, and then you're going to scroll down and you're going to select this arrow here, and the one that I downloaded was called Tommy. So I'm just going to scroll down cutest. Wait, where is it? Oh, here it is. It's this one. I'm just going to basically select it. As you can see, it's under the system font. You're not going to find it in presets. You're going to find it under system font, and you can basically use the text however you like. And that's it. Super simple, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!